What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so as you can tell by the title, I got my eyelids, I paint matched them, and I'm super hyped with how they came out. And we're gonna go a little bit more in depth here in just a minute. And Raceland also sent me a brand new strut. We're gonna go into detail about that as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get right to it. So pretty much the main focus of today's video is my eyelids that I paint matched. These came out prime. I'm so hyped. Literally like perfect. I'm so hyped. There's a few little imperfections, but I'm really getting down the painting and I'm getting a lot better. So I'm hyped, and I think these look really, really good. Definitely like perfectly paint matched, I would say. That's pretty dang good. So then there's those, and I finally picked up I finally got my blinkers and then the LEDs for the day running light and the brights as well. So these are pretty much full custom LED headlights. I literally have LED in the headlight bulb, and then I don't know if you can see that one, but that's an LED in the blinker as well. And then the LED right there on the DRL. The DRLs look sick, honestly. And then the LED city light in there. And honestly, I'm hyped with how these turned out. I might just leave them like this. I think they look pretty cool, honestly. And the eyelids definitely like made it look so much more mean. I love it. I think it looks sick. But then we go back to the rear, and I got them for the rear too. Oh, that is dope. That right there is really mean. That looks so sick, honestly. And again, these came out like prime. I'm hyped. Perfectly paint matched. Oh, that is so clean. I love it because it just goes right on along this body line. There's no light right here, so it's not blocking any light from the taillights. It's literally, you can see every single, LED in the taillights still, and I think they look so sick. That is so clean. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I think it looks dope. But again, like I was saying in the first little clip, Raceland, they sent me a new strut because so when I go drive, like, I can literally see like the gauge needle for this right rear side. It just bounces like dramatically, and I was almost 100% sure that it was blown. I took videos of that happening and the wheel kind of like hopping. You could kind of see it in the rear view mirror hopping. So I took videos of that, sent it to Raceland, and they were like, yeah, it definitely, seems to be blown. We're gonna send you out a new strut, get you taken care of. And that's just so awesome. You know what I mean? I can't thank them enough for sending it out to me, getting it, to me super quickly. That was awesome. They got it out to me in like 2 days. So that was super cool. And I'm gonna probably bang that out tomorrow, jack up the car and take the wheel off and get that strut in, and probably bust out another video for you guys. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And yeah, I'm gonna get that done. And also, I've really been pondering on what wheel hardware to get. I need to get some extended bolts. So I don't know. I've been thinking about getting like matching blue for the brakes and everything else on the car. But if you can see back there, the gold on the locking collar for the Raceland like strut, I almost want to get a few things to match that, because like, I don't know, that would just be super cool, and it would give me a little bit of other like color to add to it. So let me know what you guys think. What color should I get? Blue or like a gold? Let me know down in the comments. I need more people to comment. So seriously, let me know what you guys think about that. And no, don't get it twisted, guys. Raceland is actually really good quality. I am more than satisfied with the bags that I've had for over a year now, and I haven't had a single problem. And honestly, it was my fault. I've curbed the shit out of this side of like my car, and now obviously not with these wheels. I've steered clear, and I know what, I stay far away from any curbs now. I'm more than careful, but I know that that's why it's blown. It's my fault, and I'm sure of it, you know what I mean? But they have lifetime warranty, and they're really helping me out. I can't thank them enough. So, just make sure you guys check out what they have to offer. They have some really quality stuff at some really affordable prices. So just, make sure you guys check them out. And my SportShifters kit is on the way. Stay tuned, you guys. That's going to be in not the next video, but I think the next video, because it's on its way from the Netherlands. And make sure you guys check them out. Seriously, custom quality, and it's insane. They sent me a few pictures and it literally looks amazing, you guys. I cannot even believe it. Insane quality. So yeah, just make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have them linked down below. I can't wait to get it installed. It's going to be sick, and it's literally it's a short shifter in itself and whatnot, so that's going to be super dope, and I can't wait to get that installed. I think right now I'm just gonna go grab some cinematics, get a little bit more detailed shots on the eyelids and everything that I've done in the past week or so. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll hop back in when we're done with that. Just pulled up to this spot, and I don't know, man. I'm thinking about sending it. Should I drive up on there? Let's do it. I seriously can't believe I just took all those videos and photos in the front of that place and was not bothered once. That was crazy. Look at that view. Sick. It's definitely getting smoky out. It's fire season. alrighty, that is probably gonna wrap up this video. Again, I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I got lots to do. Big maintenance day, and again, I'm super hyped with how everything turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.